2023. What an incredible year. God bless you all. Happy holidays. Happy New Year. I'll see you in 2024.
Finished getting ready. This is my hair. It's just in a low bun. I might do it in a puff later. I'm not sure. I can't decide, but this is my outfit. Guys, it's currently New Year's Eve. I'm trying to get to Ali Pali. I'm meeting my friends, so I'll make for the bus to go meet my friends, and then we'll see where the night takes us. I ain't eating. I was thinking chicken and chips. But then my friend was like, she's gonna eat later. I'm like, what you gonna eat? And we have to see what's around. Like, what if there's no food around? So, I don't know what to do, but we will see. I'm just waiting for the bus. And makeup, she's eating. My makeup, she's eating. Alexandra Palace, guys, look at this. We're actually just exploring. Oh!
I got things that's so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I cannot ignore it. Yeah, Mrs. I got things that's so pretty round this time of year. I can't ignore it. I can't.
No! My shit! What?
Better than you, girl. Came to conclusion, yeah. 22 and you've been through things that you never should have ever been through. Girl, I know you're 22 and you've seen something that you never should have been exposed to. Yeah, who I got protect you when you feel you are in danger. You know what you know, no new man, you know I'm not stranger. You want to know what you comfortable.
So good.